Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In this box, I have a big upgrade that's going to take this channel to the next level. This is what I got. Pretty much my camera equipment, everything that I've been filming for the last like 2 years or since I started this channel has been on a GoPro Hero 10. I put a max lens mod on it, but it just came to the point where the video quality and post-production and everything, it just wasn't up to par into how I like it. The action camera was getting old, just like filming in like the garage or filming in certain lighting conditions, just the GoPro wasn't doing it. And also when I was riding or doing like action stuff, the Hero 10 would freeze. It just wasn't reliable. Sometimes it would just crash mid filming and it was just really annoying. So I decided to spend the money and upgrade all the camera equipment. So as you see here, we got a Sony ZV-E10, which is gonna be awesome. Crazy camera, crazy specs on it. It pretty much has the same sensor as an FX30 cinema camera. We're definitely gonna get some crazy lenses for this, and yeah, we're gonna see what this little baby could do. Also, to upgrade the GoPro, since I also need an action camera, I also got the DJI Action Pro 2. It's pretty much, in my opinion, the best action camera right now, considering its size. It has OLED screens, the quality. Oh, it also has 50 gigs of internal storage. This camera films in 10-bit. It's the same with this camera, so you could basically use this to color match your footage of like this camera or like other professional cameras. So this is going to be fun. Let's go ahead and open both these up and see what they look like. Let's see here. Ooh, look at this. Okay. Look at this, guys. This thing is nice. I saw the ZV-1 version, but I haven't seen this one. This one's definitely like bigger. It has like a heftier feel to it. I really like it, but it's not too big. It's a nice vlogging size. So like if you're vlogging, boom. And on the screen, you could flip it out, have it like that. That's so sick. And let's look at the sensor on this thing. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that sensor. Ooh. Guys, just stay tuned. I'm gonna film some crazy content for you on this camera. Super excited. Alright, let's see what else it comes with. What's cool about the ZV-2 Mark II is it comes with these. Basically, these are the batteries that all the top level cameras use, like the FX30, the A7, the A7s, like all the big cameras, they use these same batteries, so that's gonna be nice. Let's go ahead and open up the DJI. So this is gonna be a big upgrade from the GoPro. I've honestly like been disappointed with GoPros just because like they're just not reliable. Sometimes you're on the bike, you click record, and then you pop a wheelie or you do some crazy stuff, and then you realize that the video cut out 5 seconds in after recording. These things don't cut out. It has like a 1-1.3 inch sensor. Bro, this thing is gonna be insane. I'm gonna open this baby up. OCD is killing me. That sticker. Alright, let's go ahead and put all these away. Oh, we have a charger, I think. Do we have a charger? Oh, and it comes with a little wind muff. That's dope. Where is the charger for this thing? Weird. I think I could charge the camera from the wire probably, but alright, let's unbox the little DJI. Ooh. Okay. Take out the accessories first. Let's see what they gave us. Oh, it comes with a little USB-C. And I think this is the cage, the little plastic cage that you could put the DJI camera in. Go ahead and open it up, check it out. Yeah, so that's the cage. I think this is the magnetic mount. Yeah, this is the magnetic mount. Oh, I can probably put, oh, that'd be sick. I can mount this onto my helmet or something. That's a dope mount. Okay, we'll figure that out. I'm gonna have to figure out how to mount it on the AGV, or figure out how to mount it on the SMK. I don't know, we'll see, because this thing has a thing in the front. But what I'm thinking is I could just use the GoPro mount and just get an adapter, but I'll figure it out for the motovlogging setup. Let's see what else comes in here. So, just a manual. Okay, so I think this is a little battery. So the battery, it says these have like 4 hours of battery life, which is insane for a little camera, and I heard battery life is really good. Comes with an extra battery. This is the Action 5 itself. This thing is sick. Are you ready? Oh my god. Look at that thing. Look at this. Dude, that lens looks beautiful. Like the texturing on the camera. That screen. That lens. Oh, this thing is beautiful. Look how big that screen is. That's crazy. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this up. Just put a battery in there. Let's see if it's charged. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Screen locked. Bro, this screen is so bright. Oh my god. So I'm gonna just set this later. I mean, might as well just set it. What is it? Friday. Dude, the sound on this thing, it's like loud. 28. Shutter record button. Quick switch button. Covers. Battery. Screen gestures. Oh, that's insane, guys. Look at that. Night mode. Super night. Just regular video. Ooh, you could see me right here. But yeah, this is what I'm recording on right now. This is my GoPro setup with the media mod, and like look at this thing. The GoPro, you need like a whole media mod for the mic, and like look at that. I think it's so bulky. Even on the motorcycle helmet, it's like super bulky. So yeah, this camera is insane. This is gonna be the new action camera for the channel, and this camera is gonna be the high quality production camera. Let's go ahead and throw the battery into this one. Hopefully it's charged. Boom. Alright. I'm gonna set the camera up later. I just want to basically... Oof. Yo, look at that, guys. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a different lens for it, because this one's pretty close. But look at that, guys. This camera's dope. Look at this. Yeah, I definitely want a wider lens. This quality is crazy, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. I don't know if you could really tell on the GoPro, but yeah, this is a new camera. Hope you guys are excited as much as me for these new cameras on the channel. The quality is about to go through the roof. About to put way more quality into production, editing, filming. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these cameras. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.